Good evening. Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of this Mi Redmi Note 11S. So let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box, on the top right, you have the Mi logo. In the middle, a couple of pictures of the phone, a back picture as well as a front picture. And right at the bottom, Redmi Note 11S. On the right, as well as the left sides of the box, it says Redmi Note 11S with easy access to the Google apps you use most. Nothing on top, nothing at the back. And on the bottom of the box, you have the barcode, serial number, the model, the color. This is the Twilight Blue color. And it has 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of memory, and other product information right here. Okay, so I have a penknife right here. Let's cut open the plastic and get inside the box. Okay, now the plastic is off. Let's take the top off. Okay, so right on top, powered by Redmi. Right in here, we have the SIM injection tool. Right here, we have the quick start guide, safety information, and the warranty card. And here we have a case itself. Does feel like a nice case to use. Okay, so further inside, here we have the phone in the Twilight Blue color. Behind this, we have the 33-watt charger. It is a USB-A. And right here, we have the charging cable. I believe this should be USB-A on one end, and this should be USB-C on the other. Yes, it is. Okay, and that's it for the box. Okay, so let's take the plastic off the phone. And let's turn it on for the first time. Okay, MIUI 13. Next, choose a language, English United Kingdom. You can increase the text size below. And I think that should be it for now. Let's go next. Choose your region, Malaysia. Okay. Terms and conditions. Okay. Checking for SIM card. Skip this step. Oh, right. Insert SIM card. Skip it for now. Let me just enter the Wi-Fi. Okay, the Wi-Fi has been entered. It's now saying getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Copy apps and data. Don't copy. Just a sec. Checking info. Google sign in, skip for now. Skip account setup, skip. Google services, blah blah blah. Use location, allow scanning. Okay, accept. Okay. Set password. You can set screen lock, fingerprint. Skip for now. Additional settings, location, send usage and diagnostic data. That. Okay, next. Okay. Okay. Select default launcher. Okay. 13, setup complete, you're ready to rock. Next. Loading apps. Okay, so it's turned on and ready to use. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this Mi Redmi Note 11S. Thanks for watching and goodbye.